What's up, bassists? Today I want to talk to you about kind of an old school tip, taking a bit of foam and shoving it under your strings right in front of the bridge. It'll cut down on the sustain and add kind of a vintage sound. I have used a sponge before. You don't want to use one with like the green scrubby thing, just like a regular piece of sponge, like the yellow part. I've used a rag before, like in a pinch. And what I've settled on is I made this thing, which basically is like the sound foam, the soundproof foam stuff. It's tallest down here, that'll go under the B string, and it is shortest right here, which would go under the G string. It's kind of a neat technique. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Be light in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be a blessing to your community. Do the right thing. It's not that hard. I love you all. I give lessons online. Reach out. Till next time, friends. Peace.